All right, so before I put the heads and everything on, I thought I'd get the lifters and cam out, drain the oil, kind of keep cleaning it up some more, get the new cam in and lifters, and then get the heads on. These lifters kicked my fucking ass. They are so cupped and kind of mushroomed. You can see that there. That I had to keep a constant spray of PB on it as I brought it up and wiggled it down, up, down, up, down, up, down, turn, with a pair of vice grips on it. And that was just insane. Now I'm getting ready to pull a cam, so I thought I would get the camera going. Cam for cam.
Squirt some stuff down there. It's just kind of tight. Oh, yeah. It's gonna drop out. Maybe. It's just there's so much gunk and crap. I think.
All right, back at it. I am going to put the camshaft in. Hopefully I'm not forgetting anything. Got some Permatex Ultra Slick engine assembly lube. And I've got some Sta lube. Extreme pressure anti-seize engine assembly lube with moly graphite. So I'm going to put that on the bearing surfaces and this on the rest of it. It's my plan. Never done this before.
So I'm gonna put down everything. Oh yeah, that is some thick stuff. It's much thicker than the other stuff. So I think I'm doing it right. Maybe. I know that moly graphite does something that helps the lube stay on during break-in. Something like that. That's pretty thick stuff too. Shiny. I'll probably cannibalize my old Dizzy, since I bought a new one, to kind of prime the oil pump and system and all that jazz. Get this other set here. Alright, I'm going in. Oh yeah, baby. It's happening. Sure, some say you can't use too much of it, some say you can. I don't know. But I am going to run it, change oil right away after we break this in and give it a test drive and change oil again. got some bolts. Oh yeah. Nice and easy.
All right, back at it. Torquing the heads down, or getting the heads on, torquing them down. Passenger side done, 65 foot-pounds. Driver's side, bolts are in and torqued down to 25. And I will just go through the sequence with you. Phone falling. And we did 25, so we will go to about 50. 30, 40, 50. Right? Yeah, 50. Lock her down. Standing on the control arm and subframe. Whoa, and almost falling on the fuel line. And start here in the center. One. Two. Three. 4.
5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. That's 17 bolts. And now we'll go up to, it says 50, 65. 65. Do it again. Center. Out. 1. And try and keep your hand off that, and that'll make it more accurate, I believe. Putting pressure like that adds a little bit of resistance, what I've been told, so. That's 1. 2. 14. 15.
17. All right, heads are torqued down. Oh. That's all I got for now. Sweet meat. Cleaning up push rods and rocker arms. Yeah, that's how dirty they are. Gunky, nasty. Turn them into this. Sure is satisfying turning gunk into something that looks new.
I mean, sure, no one's going to buy it, but it's not what we're doing this time. Clean it up, make it new. I'll just show you what I'm doing. Get everything kind of squirt it down through the oil hole, oil passage. Grab one up, a brass brush. Get most of the junky gunk off.
Alrighty, I think I'm ready to pour a bunch of oil in her. I just put the new, let's see here. I took the oil pan off, cleaned out the sludge on the inside, painted it, new oil filter, and filled the oil filter with oil before I put it in. Made a little oil prime tool. It's an old screwdriver jammed into this socket to keep it from wobbling off the deal inside there, the oil pump. And then I'll just chuck that up to my drill wherever that went. But first, I think we can pour some oil in there. And then we'll prime it and look for oil coming out everywhere it should. Is the plan. Using this TB Zinc Plus for hot rods, classic cars, and race engines. Add 1 bottle of engine upon initial break-in. So, oh yeah, we'll get that going. And we'll get that going. This is 5 quarts, right? Yeah. And I hope I didn't forget nothing. Hope there's not a terrible leak happening right now.
Didn't even check to see if you're recording. God, keep screwing that up and not recording when I'm trying to. Let's see. Okay, good. You're recording. First, I'm gonna see if anything's leaking down under. I doubt it, because nothing's going on. I know it just looks like one big leak, but what's that? Can't be right. I gotta slide a piece of cardboard or something under there so I can really see. Ain't never done this before. All right. Oh yeah, we are moving oil. Yeah.
What happens over here, and then soon it's gonna start dripping. Yeah, now that's gonna be dripping down. Oh well.